Oh, what is up, YouTube? Today, we're going to be talking about the newest update that's going to be rolling out very soon in regards to your YouTube subscriber count for monetization. They have updated the YouTube Partner Program, they have updated the rules. But before I get into that, welcome to Teaching Trends. My name is Carla, where I teach you all about the YouTube trending topics to include what's trending in remote jobs, allied health jobs, and healthcare, and of course, all of those updates in YouTube. YouTube has actually been listening to a lot of you. So, this update, I think you're going to be interested in. Before we actually go in to see what this update is, just know that this expansion will be rolling out over the next few months to creators in Canada, the UK, South Korea, Taiwan, and the United States. So, it will only affect these countries for right now, the new subscriber count requirement for monetization. Again, YouTube has been listening to you out there. So if you think they're not listening, they are. Right here, it says these creators in these countries are eligible by gaining 500 subscribers. That's right, everybody. 500 subscribers and 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days. So make sure you have 3 videos in the last 90 days and 500 subscribers, and you will qualify to the YouTube Partner Program. And or you could do 3,000 public watch hours in the last year, or 3 million valid public shorts. So 3 million views on those shorts. So these are the things that you can do right now. The YouTube Partner Program has been updated to include these particular countries. As you see here, this will be rolling out over the next couple of months with creators. You may not immediately see any changes, but this is rolling out. Hopefully, this has been some good news for you out there. For those of you who've been trying to reach that threshold and that mark there, YouTube is actually doing this. Hopefully, this is good news for you. My name is Carla in Teaching Trends. With that being said, everyone, take care.